Here we will show you some ways you could fix the microphone of your iPhone XR. Let's check it out. You can check your microphone settings. To do that, open Settings, scroll down and tap Privacy, tap Microphone, check it all the options are turned on or not. Another solution is you could turn on noise cancellation on your iPhone XR. To do that, open Settings, tap General, tap Accessibility, scroll down and toggle on noise cancellation. It could fix the microphone of your iPhone XR. Make sure your iOS is updated to the latest version. If it's not, sometimes it could cause problems with microphones. To check it, launch Settings app, tap General, tap Software Update. If it is updated to the latest version, it will say it is up to date to the latest version. If not, tap Download and Install to update it to latest version. If they don't work, you could reset all settings on your iPhone XR. To do that, open Settings, scroll down, tap General, scroll down and tap Reset. Tap Reset all settings. It will ask for your passcode, enter it. Tap Reset all settings. Again tap Reset all settings. Your iPhone will take auto restart. Wait a bit, you will see Apple logo. This is the way you can reset all settings on your iPhone XR when you need it. Reset all settings will erase all the customized settings of your iPhone XR, and if something like that was causing problems with your microphone, it will erase that and your microphone will start working correctly again. So these ways you could fix the microphone of your iPhone XR. If they don't fix your microphone, then contact Apple support about it. Thank you for staying with us. Like, share and let us know your opinions or ask anything you want to know on the topic in the comment box. We have added a related video and article on the topic down in the description. Check it out and always stay with Apple Tricks for tips and tricks for Apple and Android devices. Thank you.